All right, so today, well, good morning also. Today I'm trying a to stream at a higher output resolution, so we'll see how that works. Everything's still new, so we're just figuring it out. I don't really have a plan for today in terms of what I'm going to work on, but we'll just kind of figure it out and see what comes to mind. Stack. All right, take that. Put this at the end. I think we probably need to work on, excuse me, sound effects for the battle. Let me get some music going. Sound effects for the battle and timing of things in the battle. Let me get set up here. Actually, I gotta turn that off for now. Can I turn that? Yeah. Sorry, I was adjusting the mic. So, I'm gonna run the battle. Obviously, we have to account for that now. To just go to enemies and that grid container, we're going to override vertical separation. Let's turn that on so I can see. Actually, we're going to do this. Looks pretty good. I think now we need to just give this guy a little bit more headroom. Or maybe it's an issue with the centering. Oh, we do want that centered. I guess that's alright. Does this just need to be 45? Yeah. That looks nice and even. So it's one of the great things about Godot, how in real time that updates. You don't have to do a reload or anything. So we also need to add a way to back out in the battle to go back a menu level. I thought I already put that in, but let's look at states. They're deciding. It's possible something might be eating. Oh, that's why we're not adding the top menu to the menu levels. Which I don't think we need to. Oh, I never implemented that code. I was just going to grab it from GUI. I think we're going to change that up a bit. these are always going to be menu. Else, we're going to do the options.grab. So we should have that functional now. Okay. Weird, I have to push it twice. Oh no, that's wrong. Okay, I don't think we just do Isn't there a way to just remove the back without returning it? Pop back. I guess we can just do pop back, or yeah, we'll do pop back. We just won't use the value. What if we can do without empty? And else this is basically just an improved version of how I was doing that in the GUI. So now, yeah, that's what we wanted. Spell item defend. We need to print the character. Oh wow, these guys, yeah, they're strong. So we're not accounting for when these characters are defeated. But we also want to print their names or like highlight them. I think maybe we'll blink their player info card. Now, in battle, is it going to be easier just to go through this? No, we'll do it in here. So they're going to need maybe just do animation player. So we do we call this on, else animation. Oh, stop. So in here, this is something I like to do. It's pretty simple. So can we center you? I don't think that'll mess that up. Looks good. So blink, we're going to take the whole thing. And I think for our purposes, we can just use the modulate value. So we make a key for that. And I've realized why my cough is extra bad lately. It's because I've been clearing out my grandfather's basement, and there's tons of mold. And even with a mask, like it still hits my eyes and stuff. So, I'm probably breathing in a little bit, but hopefully I'll be done with that soon. Anyway, we have a lot of steps. I don't know if we need that many. Like I can probably just make this, and then if we go in here, like we can probably put that one there. Make this the, yeah, and then it's gonna be, we actually 0.05, and so we want this to loop. Okay, that's way too fast, right? Let's test it, way too fast. We'll try 0.3. And not discrete. I forget, there's one where you don't have any easing. Is it? I think it's that. Just pick both of these. No. Like I just want it to go. We do 0. Okay, that's not what we want. I can't recall discrete trigger. Is it this? Nearest. I just can't remember. There's a way to do it like off and on. But maybe this is alright. It's just way too fast. So like 0.5. Is it because it might be one of these linear cubic? Maybe we have to do. Then we want to duplicate. We pick. All right, let's go. Stop. So that's at 2. We're going to put this at 4. We're going to duplicate that frame, that key. So we do this at 4. I think it's still too fast. We're going to stretch this out. We're going to have it. Come on. There we go. And then I think we just need to you know what? These should be the full, because it's going to start from full. And so we want this to be we might want to try it with self-modulate, which I think I can just, like, to test that, we do. And so that'll just do the box, but I think we want the whole thing. All right, so then we need a, I think we have the reset. Yeah, we're good. So we always want to, on start, oh, ready. We're going to call this, but with reset. And when we do that, we actually need to do play. So now when we are choosing options, whenever we change, I gotta clear that. Whenever we change the player, like here, not there. I think we're actually going to do this. Do -1 and just do, trying to think, do we want to do, no, then we'll always be doing that. That's good. And copy that because we're going to be using that. We actually want -1 and null. Start event queue. I don't think we have to do that anymore there, so we'll delete that. And so we're going to call that anytime we're going to the options menu. So we're going to find options. If I can type. I don't know what happened to my music. Different vibe. All right, so should be good. I forgot to add the blank. Oh, where are we using that for the? So here we actually need to do. I don't know if we need that init anymore. I guess that's all right. No, we don't want to be doing that. I have a feeling they're not going to end it now. No, they did. Cool. What's with this background? That doesn't look right. Actually, right? It looks off. It's possible. Is this just a little bit gray? I'm confused. That could be why. Is that how I had it? Yeah, let's just make that full. And so when we go to next player, we're going to do so we players. Only strings. What? Oh. We can do that. That's it. I think here we have to do. So we're always turning that off for the current one, and we enable it for the next one. Why is player not getting set? Oh, we're not calling. I think it's like down here we're messing up. Yeah. This needs to be. Where are we using that? We're going to move that. No, actually, we need that there. I think we'll just do this. That's fine. If we do that again. Let's see if that works. Set highlighted. Let's do. Yeah, we can do. Let's see. Then we're going to move do -1. And I can check the scene tree. Good, we moved it down. It's still giving me that error. I don't get that. Oh, is it because if it's -1? Let's see something. Yeah, we don't need this. Oh, we do need that. What the heck? Is it because I'm not, yeah. Alright, this should work. It's highlighting the wrong one. Maybe we need to if we just do go back to that. And tofu highlights. I might want to like bump them down too. This would be like see if that works. Yeah, it's good. We just don't want that much. So we'll just be like buffer. And we probably want to animate that. I'm not too worried about it right now. Alright, so Llama got defeated, so they're not going to be able to attack. So we need to do a check on their health. And we probably want to gray them out. So we'll put function set. Is there a way I can do this through signals? Might be nice. I think I'm going to do that. We're going to change this up. Nah, we'll keep it how we have it, but I need to fix the health check. While to and my brain's a little fried right now. So we have player. I'm just gonna repeat that. So we can do I don't know. There's probably a cleaner way of doing this, but we can return. So if we're not jumping to the first player, we're gonna stop highlighting the current player, and then basically we're just looking for the next player that's not defeated. And if we find that, great, we return. Otherwise, we're going to reset, disable focus on the menus, have the enemies decide what they're doing, and then start the event queue. And I think now we also need to check if all of the players are defeated. Which I can just do if members are defeated. We can do this up here. Member break. So if they're defeated, I don't know if we need that yet. Alright, so we shouldn't... Tofu should be defeated. I don't know why they're still getting actions. I'll be right back. So we need to check. Defeated. Just close that. Just button graph focus. Turn player defeated. Let me do. If not, player defeated. I don't know why. How, like, maybe Pink Blob is really weak. Yeah, like Tofu's not. How's Tofu not taking damage? Okay, Tofu took damage there. So I think we want, when that happens, we want like action set. Keep Gray out. That's gonna be. Ooh, I'm having trouble getting used to this keyboard. The keys are so high up. Let me try changing the height on this. I have to give this one to my kid. Nice keyboard. It's just like it's different from what I'm used to. So we do if on else we're gonna do modulo. This could be a ternary, but we might. It doesn't really matter. So now when the player gets defeated, which I might. We might do. And I think we're going to connect it. It's going to be. I'm just going to need that. It's going to be. Player. Let's just call player. Player. That's going to be player.connect. Changed. Actually, sorry, it's going to be on the card. I'll take this all back. Let me just call it in here. Oh, we already have that connected. Oh my gosh. We just do if Actually, it's going to be we want to make sure if we don't want this to run if we are gray. So we are setting data, so it'll be like data. I'll put an error because we don't want to. We really don't want to highlight them. Actually, I don't know if it matters. Keep it simple, right? So that looks pretty good. I almost want to flip this so that it's like Earthbound, but Dragon Quest is cool. Alright, so Tofu is defeated. We need them to change their target if one gets defeated. And that's going to be when we're advancing the event queue. So it's right here. We need to check. Probably do it at the top. We'll do if 2.defeated. If what's wrong? Oh, because we're in a match. We have to do it. Put it up here. So if 2 is defeated, we need them to pick a random target, which I think when we do set enemy actions, target, here we're just using util choose, but it needs to be like while. We'll get it going. So if do we have any way of checking if they're an enemy or friendly? So I think we're gonna do as an export. It'll be friendly by default, or not friendly by default. And for all of our players, which is currently just 2, let's open that up. Just toggle friendly. So now in here we can do if 2.friendly. Okay. Else. We're gonna do util.choose. Let's see what that looks like. But that doesn't work if, yeah, like we need to be doing that in there. And that's going to clean that up. So in here, enemy dot. We just do and I don't even need to do this. Like we're gonna do for enemy channel. And this is actually going to be, what do we call this? Battle enemy. And we're going to do whoops. We wanted to then here we just we do that. But the problem with that is if all the enemies are defeated, well, I guess we're doing that check anyway. So they should pick a different target. Actually, we're going to modify this. So it's going to be, we're going to remove that enemy. I think we're going to append that. And so if we do, we're just always going to remove that from pop. Yeah, we want to erase. I think we need to do the same thing. I mean, I could see how we're handling damage. Like, we should just be checking here. We'll see. Okay, now we're freezing. I think it's because of this. Oh, that's why. So llama's out. So llama should not get attacked again. Dude. Oh, yeah, I know why. Because we're just choosing that. We need like, we need to be able to do, let's see. We want basically the same thing. Right. Just copy all this and change it. I mean, the only way, I don't really care. I could care less about efficiency right now. So then we go back to advanced event queue. We just put that in. Actually, it's going to be this. And so when we get to the end, when we do that exit, we need to check. We're doing that, but we're doing with players. And we don't know if we need the count. We'll do elif. Else we do check for player not defeated. We're gonna run that. Else we go to this. So it's gonna be game over, or yeah, game over. No. If not player defeated, we do this. Right, because that means there's at least one party member around, and we'll return. Otherwise, game over. All players defeated. And so then we do, basically we can just copy like the victory setup and modify it for game over. And so we don't need any of that. We will need all party members have been defeated. And so we're going to do that, but it's going to be like game over. So just duplicate, get some sad music. And I don't think we need that. We don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Really, I think we just do this. And so we copy that. Something like that. Oh no, no, lady, don't mind. Oh no, oh no. We're gonna do victory. So let me just do a check down here. State, well, actually, so here we just go back, and we also need to use these states now. So we have victory. And then game over. Do that first. That's right. So that's good. Those should work now. So if we're in debug mode, that means we're just running the battle like this. We just always want to restart. The game over state. How do I want to handle that? Just to, I think for now, we're actually just going to reload current scene. And actually, we're going to copy that just temporarily. It's going to be like if let's something like that. Although that's going to reload the whole thing, so really we just want to reload the battle. I don't know, then I have to save that. I think maybe for now we just do the same thing. Do finish actual finish. So that way I know. And so if we get destroyed here, what the heck? 2 defeated? How is that not a valid thing? So Tofu is attacking Null. Or no, Tofu's defending. Oh, because I see. Let's see. 2. There we go. Or what we can do is when we do defend, from that defend, we go up to where we, I think it's actually down here. This is going to be player. I'll take it back. Oh my gosh, all but one guarded. So that works. We skipped llama. So we want to see Tofu get destroyed. No, yellow blob attacked llama. Oh. That should work. Maybe. I don't even know now. Everyone guarded. Enemies have a high guard chance. Good. Alright, so llama's defeated. We don't want to see them getting hit. I don't get it. Player equals null. Player equals null or player's defeated. Player equals player's empty, return null. Until choose players. We're friendly. Choose random enemy. Oh, that's why. You never said two. So we do. Oops. Like that. Should be good. Alright, Tofu got knocked out. Llama got hit, but they're still in it. Everything looks good so far. We just don't want to see Tofu get hit. It's good. They're only targeting Llama. Green, what? They attacked an enemy. Friendly. For friendly, we want to choose a random enemy. Here, what? How did that happen? Is green blob marked as friendly? No. That's weird. Yeah, they're attacking each other. What? Oh, shoot. Needs to be two. We have it backwards. If from is friendly. Programming games is so much fun. It's just a giant mess. No, Tofu's angry. They're gonna attack now. Good job, Llama. So after we get the defeated checks fixed, what I want to do is work on the timing of the events. So based on the action, we want to give it time to play, the effect, and time for the player to read the text. So it's not so, I mean, I can just like, speed through it as fast as I want. Alright, so Tofu got defeated. We just don't want to see them get targeted. Good. Looks like we're in good shape. Alright, so Llama's defeated. We want to see it go to a game over state. And unhandled input. Advanced queue. See, what should have happened is it should not have advanced. Because 2 is null. Is that the from? Yeah, so that's from. This is the attacker. They're trying to attack that one. But it should have failed. Right, we should have advanced the queue. So I think we're gonna do in here when enemies defeated, and do the same thing down here. This code is pretty sloppy, but I don't really care, like I said right now. Just trying to get it functional. We can always clean it up later. I might want to check out what these are. That could be an issue. Yeah, that could definitely be an issue. So I should call it members. Alright, so then we can go every time we see players. We do that. Okay. And that. That might have been the issue to begin with. I'm not sure. Oh, we don't want that to have focus. That's not good. So we have to look at not the enemy sprites. It's the enemies down here. Auto disable focus. You should definitely not be focusable. Yeah, see? Maybe. We want, it's gonna be like, there's nowhere we're enabling that focus, so that should not be focusable. Should not be able to go. That does not make sense. Do I not have those set up as buttons or what? They are buttons, so I don't know what the problem is. Let's try this. Right, we can see it's disabled. It should be. Oh, you know what? It's because we delete them. We clear them, and okay, that makes sense. So after we do that, we have to call disable focus, because these are all new. Yeah. Alright, we're good now. So that back is not working now. Removing it. Yeah, like now we're focused on something else. This is kind of an annoying day for this game. That's okay. Alright, so we're on that. Alright, this all looks good, right? We can't focus off. So I attack, we're on blue blob. Right, these are all good. So that grid container has focus. I don't know which one. I don't know why it has focus. It's not that one. That could be where it's going. And that's probably it. So just trying to go off when it looks good. But our back button's not working. I don't understand. So let me clean this up a bit. So we have. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What happened? Am I not calling that? Okay. Now we're calling that. That's good. But back to this. We have. Oh, we're not managing our state. Right. Also, I want to turn off. So, all right, we're not receiving that input. I would guess it's a state issue. So it is, we're not in the right state. We want to print the state. We're on 0, so we're not advancing that. Let's see. What the fuck? Pardon my language. Bottom enter. That's fine. That should say 1 when we get to it. What the fuck? Oh, duh. Dude, what? I need more caffeine or something. Something. Also, I'm tired of... It's alright. Okay. Don't need that. Everything's good. Get rid of all these prints. Hey. think when we do what is it? Enemy, it's enemy actions. When we roll, we need to choose weighted. Let's see. Yeah, see, I already put the note there, but yeah, we definitely need. And for that, we're just going to go online, choose. Just modify it. Oh yeah, we don't have a specific choices. Alright. Okay, for ion range argument count. So if center equals 0, what does that even mean? If argument I I don't know how we'd have that. N plus equals R. What? I gotta. I have to look at this. N equals random. N plus equals argument I. Let me just convert everything. This is going to be and F. Mix tabs and spaces. Okay. That. Close you for now. So we got it for ion range. Oh, I see what they're doing. I think I see. I'm going to have to modify this more. If n less than 0, all these spaces, oh my gosh, oh shit. Well, let's do this. Make sure my indents are right. We can clean that up too. I think we have all the other spaces, but maybe not. Argument. Okay, so choose weighted. It's looking at argument count. And that number. I don't understand this yet. For I equals 1, I plus 2. Make sure I have everything. This needs to be over. So ran. I do. This has to be ran range 0 and argument 0. Do choices. Okay, so we have it converted. I'm going to double check my indentations. Continue. And minus n equals if and return that. Else we return that for. If choices continue n plus equals. Okay, so I think we have it right. I just don't understand. Var i's, we're gonna I plus 2, so we're skipping I plus equals 2. I think I is less than. I think you alternate. So you have the choice, and then oh, it's up here. So if that has 3 times as many options. Okay, so we can use rand I mod n or mod I. No, it's mod n. Yeah. So this is gonna look like we're gonna put comments. So it's like variant chance. Variant chance. Okay. We can test that out in. I might just do this. So we go back to battle. Let's get rid of that for now. And so we're gonna do. It's gonna be util dot choose weighted. Or you know what? I kind of want to modify it to have 2 arrays, but that's fine for now. Yeah, I do need it to be 2 arrays because a lot of times I like sending in the whole array. So then we just do like, you know, they have, let's say, 5 times as many chances to attack as they do defend. And so we'll do that. Actor data needs the whole possible actions. Yeah, that's still relevant. Here we're going to do choices, chances. And And oh, they also have the alternating. I gotta check out that code. So skipping over, right? So I don't have to do that. I think chances. N equals 0. Choice is 0. I don't think we need that anymore. Anytime we're modifying n, it's going to be chances. I think this will work. Okay, just I made a note so I know if I ever have to go back to it. So choose weighted should be fine. I'm saving you. Did I not? I don't know, whatever. So we want to, I'm going to print out the choice. So now when the enemies are picking their actions, we should see all their, so they all chose guard, which is not good. Okay, so something's not right. Attack and defend, 5 and 1. You know what? What we're going to do, copy that. And we're going to go back to before I changed it. Save this as backup. And then we go here, and so we're going to follow his method, or their method, I don't know who they are. And so here I want to add that, actually let's just grab this. Close that. So we want to see mostly attacks. So it should be I'm confused. I'm a little confused. We're printing the wrong thing. Oh, I-1. Five, 0, 1. Three, 4. What am I missing? Oh, the 2. Okay, so we do the same thing down here, I think. Well, it's all broken. Zero. Okay, maybe that's why. 2 plus 2. Oh no. Oh no. You know, that's not the answer. Am I not doing the same exact code? Oh, print I. So doing that. And that we know what it's going to be. N is less than 0. So they're all those are like doing nothing. Maybe +1. I just can't figure out what's going on here. I in range. Let me just print I. 0, 2, 0, 2, 5, 0, 2, 5, 0, 2, 5. We need to do this in here. Do print. So it's going to be first make this like, let's just do something next. So every time I press the T key, it should be, running that function. Yeah, I think that's the problem. This is not translating correctly. Oh, he starts at 1. Damn. Oh, it's running twice. Oh, because we have it here. So we should get last every now and then. Yeah, we got it. Alright, that was the problem. We're good. So I can turn that off in main. It's a lot faster than running through the battle. So now we need to find shoes weighted. And so that should be good. I think do two, copy that. I feel like that HP checks should have run first. Like this just crashed, or am I not? Whatever. I think it's time for a break. Why is the bit rate low? I don't know why the bit rate was low. All right, we'll catch up later and finish fixing things.